Can you fix your hair?
My hair is done, my lashes is on, my brillers in my mouth, hoops on, lip gloss on. So what? What?
Something about this just don't seem too good.
What?
I don't know who you been admiring, but this...
Nobody. I'm being myself. If you don't like my style, you can move around. What's up, guys? It's your favorite girlfriend T, and you already know what time it is because I am in this camera by myself. So I'm pretty sure you guys read that title down below, and you can see by this crazy looking hair that today I'm gonna be pranking your favorite boyfriend, Mike. So today I'm gonna be doing an acting ratchet prank to see how he reacts. So I know you're probably gonna give us a cute reaction or something like that. But go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hashtag Team Girlfriend down in the comments below because you know your girl is with it when it comes to the pranks. And I'm just gonna show you guys me like putting on some lashes and changing my earrings out. I couldn't find my big earrings, so I'm using like another little small set of hoops, and I'm trying to put these lashes on. So let's get straight into it. Okay, guys. So I got my lashes on, got my two ponytails, got my little bang, I guess you wanna call it, two little braids down, and I got my little hoop earrings. So I'm just gonna go get this camera set up, and we about to wait on him to come because I gotta get my voice together because y'all see I just tried to do it, but then I went back to my regular voice. So I gotta go up in here and practice before he comes, see how I'm about to be talking. But I'm not trying to run because I'm pretty sure y'all ready for this video. So let's get straight into it. Don't forget to hashtag Team Girlfriend. Alright guys, so he just got here, so I'm just about to be sitting right here like I like the regular. As you can see, I got my lashes on, got me some little full face glitter on now. So let's go. Oh, you get a good reaction right here. Y'all let me see it on. He probably gonna come through this door right here. So hashtag Team Girlfriend comments down below. Shut up! Do I look right or not? Got my two ponytails, got my lashes. Let's go.
Three hours later.
What's up, babe?
Where are you going?
What? What you mean what I'm doing?
That's not... Why you put stuff on?
What's up?
Baby,
What's up on?
you got all this extra stuff on.
What extra stuff?
Eyelashes and stuff.
You want to got me cute?
Baby, who are you trying to be?
I'm being myself. I don't look cute. So I don't look cute.
Baby, I don't know what you're doing.
Where's you going? I don't look cute.
Baby, all that...
So you come in here, I'm trying to talk to you, you go straight back to the room.
I gotta pee.
But I tell you. Hello? 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 Shut up! You doing too much. You need to sit down somewhere.
Why do you got all that stuff on your face?
You always gotta be extra. Sit down. Just do too much.
Why you
And
talking? You got a grill in your mouth?
And period. Who you playing with? Who are you playing with?
I don't know. Look like I'm playing with Dashiki.
Don't call me no dashiki. I don't know what female you been dealing with, but I'm not no dashiki, okay? Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Do I look cute, yes or no?
Baby, you look ratchet.
Hello, I look ratchet. You look ratchet.
You look like you trying to be one of the hood.
I ain't trying to be nothing.
Why you got all this stuff?
Do I look cute or not?
Now you pop your neck.
Hello.
Like, what's wrong with you?
Can you not hear me? Can you not hear me?
You got me.
Can you not hear me?
You got me.
No, I'm not playing. Is you ready to go? Because I'm hungry. And I don't got time to sit up here and wait all day.
Can you fix your hair?
My hair is done, my lashes is on, my brillers in my mouth, hoops on, lip gloss on. So what? What?
Something about this just don't seem too good.
What?
I don't know who you been admiring, but this,
Nobody. I'm being myself. If you don't like my style, you can move around.
something about this situation.
You don't like my style?
It's just not sitting well with me.
Hello.
Why did you got all this on?
All what on? I'm regular. I got on a t-shirt and some little Nike shorts.
With your hair in 2 ponytails.
Okay, so I can't wear my hair in 2 ponytails.
A grill.
You like my real?
You got, is that aluminum foil?
No.
I'm gonna roast you also.
It's not aluminum foil. This is a real silver grill.
Why it look like this?
Because they mixed it up. And plus my braces, so it's a little bulky. Don't be all up in my mouth. Get out. Bag up.
There's some aluminum.
Bag up. Don't be all up in my mouth.
Why are you angry?
Don't be all up in my mouth. What's funny? So you taking me as a joke.
No, I'm taking
You taking me as a joke.
all this Tiana as a joke.
Who the fuck is Tiana? Because I'm not no motherfucking Tiana.
This ain't you.
Who is Tiana? Because it ain't me.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Okay, you see.
Nah, I look like Dashiki and Tiana. Nah, move. No. You ain't even just talking about my grill, talking about it's some aluminum foil.
Baby,
Who does that?
That's bum wrapper.
No, it's not. It's a grill.
You got these bad lashes.
And dude, this is from Candy Shop Lashes. This is Archon Candy Style. Anything else?
See, you is doing extremely.
So I can wear my own lashes to promote my brand.
Baby, why is you all in like?
Always.
Who is you trying to be, Buttercup?
Always. Who is Buttercup? You trying to name all these names and it ain't me.
Is you trying to
Who
be
you been
Buttercup?
dealing with? Because it ain't me.
Baby, this ain't you.
No.
You Buttercup, whoever you got going.
You think it's so funny and I'm not laughing.
This is beyond you.
You is beyond me.
No.
Is you ready to go because I'm hungry?
Why are you even
I ain't
talking
nothing
like
all day but some little noodles. So I'm hungry. I'm ready to go get some food. Is you ready?
this? Can you put your hair?
No, I'm going like this. If you don't want to be seen with me, then we can break up.
All right, let's go.
Because you don't want to be seen with me in public.
No, I love you, but I can't. Baby, you look like you being ratchet. Like, what's all this ratchet
Who
stuff?
being ratchet?
You.
Hell.
I miss you.
Nah, how am I being ratchet? Nah, back up. Get up off me. Get up off me. See? Get up
Shut
off me.
up.
Get up off me.
Shut up. Sit down.
First of all,
Sit down. Thank you.
can you go change so we can go? Because I'm ready.
I'm good.
No, you're not wearing it. It's too hot for a dang sweatshirt.
Baby,
Can you come on? I'm ready to go.
baby, you being ratchet.
I'm ready to go.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
You to ready to go.
No, not no to ready. I'm ready to go.
You are ready to go.
I'm ready to go. Is you ready?
Am I ready?
Are you ready to go?
Oh no. Baby, put your hand
Ah, you're trying to be so
I don't get
funny.
this.
You're not funny. You're not funny. You're not funny.
I don't get it.
They don't get it. I don't get you. Is you ready? Because you study talking. Why you study doing all this for? First you hating on me, talking about some, you got your hair in 2 ponytails, that's on aluminum foil, you got these bad eyelashes on. Like, what?
Yeah, what's wrong with y'all mom? Y'all know?
What?
Y'all know what's wrong with y'all?
Hello? I'm not talking to the dogs. I'm talking to you.
Baby, this is not right. Like, get out of here. Stop this.
You know, like my girl was funny. See, you trying to roll, I swear.
Baby, do it again. Stop playing with her. Stop playing.
Don't play with me, boy. Don't play.
Stop playing.
Because you just trying to fuck on the grill.
Baby, stop playing with me.
Don't play with me.
Oh.
Don't try, boy.
Don't try. Tell them who it is.
The baddest bitch.
Bitch. Who called me?
Don't worry about all that. It's my brother. But I'm talking to you right now, so I'm gonna call her back. So, is you ready? No. Is you ready? No. Is you ready to go get some food? Because you doing all that playing. You doing all that playing.
You ready to go?
You doing all that playing. You ain't took this little shirt off. Are you ready to go? No, move. Don't kiss me. You was just talking about me. Now you want to be all up on me.
Is you ready to go?
Is you ready to go? Don't use my vocabulary. How you ready to go? You taking your shoes off.
I'm ready to go.
Move. Get up off of me. Bag up off of me, man.
Come on. Stop with the ratchet.
Nah, look. No, I'm really not mad.
Baby. Shut up. Come on, let's do it.
Got my hoops.
You being ratchet is disturbing. Baby.
Got my 2 ponytails. Nah, cause you trying to roast. I ain't with all that. Don't play with me. Don't hit me.
Baby, step me some
Don't play with me. Get out no Joe. What you mean, Joe? Come on. You said you ready? Come on. I'm being too ratchet. Me?
I ain't talking about being too rich.
Me being rich. You rich. Please come back up in here and address me. Don't walk away while I'm talking to you. Cause what you not gonna do is play with me, okay? Nah, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Back up. Yeah, you almost failed with that plan.
Baby, for real.
Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I gotta fix my hair. This is how I want to look today. So let's go.
Right, cause you the baddest.
And I am.
Period.
Is you ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go.
Ratchet and all.
I'm ratchet.
No, I said we going ratchet and all.
Nah, you trying to call me ratchet. You said since I'm dressed like that, you gonna dress like what?
Nearly, I'm finna get my.
You gonna dress like who?
What?
It was just a prank. You gonna dress like who?
Nearly, I was gonna put on my.
You gonna dress like who? Who? Who you playing with? Who was you playing with? Who was you playing with? Who was you playing with? I was just trying to act ratchet to see how you was gonna react.
Now you got my reaction.
Yeah, and I did.
Now what?
And you was trying to come for me talking about my grill fake, talking about my lashes and my 2 ponytails. Who you playing with? Who you playing with? Don't play with me.
Cause you the baddest.
Don't play
Come
with
on,
me, period.
Come on, let's do it. Oh!
Don't play with, oh, it's funny.
Woo! Boy, I love you.
It's funny.
I love you.
It's that funny.
Stop playing with me.
It's that hilarious.
Okay, you got a good joke. You acted ratchet. I ain't expected. Cool, you win. Team girlfriend, whatever you got.
Nah, I don't appreciate how you was coming for me though. I really don't.
You really don't what?
Appreciate how you was coming for me.
Well, I'll apologize.
It don't matter. Team girlfriend, we steady coming with the bangers. It don't
You
even
just
matter.
talk to your boyfriend.
What?
Oh, stop playing.
Stop playing with me.
Stop playing.
So as you can see, team girlfriend got them good. Get off of me. Team. That's what we doing. That's how I end this fucking video. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So as you can see, team girlfriend got team boyfriend pretty good. He wasn't expecting it as soon as he walked through the door. And seeing, you know, what it be. Whether you want to call me Tiana Dashiki, whatever. So make and he called me Buttercup. We're gonna have to discuss these little names after this video, but make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hashtag team girlfriend down in the comments below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell to turn on post notifications so they won't what, babe.
This a video.
And that's it. Before I jump out of this video, I want to give a shout out, post notification shout out to Joyce. I can't remember her last name because I don't have my phone in my hand, but she said, you guys are so underrated. Your energy is so good, and it was something else she said. I'm gonna just post it here, but shout out to her. Thank you so much for rocking with us and supporting us. And she said, I know she said at the end, God bless us, and she was subscribing, so thank you so much. But that's it. It's your favorite girlfriend, Tay, and I'm out. Peace.